Hello everyone, I am Eshani. Currently, I'm in the Indian Revenue Service and I wanted to talk about how you can handle the changing nature of the prelims paper GS1. So, of late, we have seen that the pattern of the paper seems to be changing, either the way the questions have been asked, and it is not only elimination now. We saw there was a different pattern this year. Um, Having said that, one must always remember that even if the pattern changes in prelims, by and large, the structure of the paper and the themes or the areas of focus that are usually there are almost the same. Um, First step to tackle the changing nature would be that you keep certain questions which are repeated from the static part of your preparation ready. And these are topics of polity, geography, and history, and these are studied from standard textbooks of NCRT and others that you can find online also. But the point is that we try not to chase the unpredictable parts of the paper, and we try to cement or be thorough with what we know can be asked most pertinently in geography, history, or polity. So, first step is to keep these three themes completely ready and quite strong. Mm. The second thing is to look at the previous year questions very carefully, because first lesson to take from the previous year questions is the way in which the question is asked. What could be the trick or the certain changes that the examiner makes in those questions? And number three, the topics which are specifically asked. So then you will have a good idea about how can you logically arrive at an answer, and this is called the mindset that the examiner has, and how you should be handling this small trick or something in the question. And this is your major tool to handle the unpredictable questions, because usually the similar thinking can be applied in other questions that come in the real exam also. So the previous year questions are very important, that you will have to spend time and understand how you can arrive at the answer from there. Now the third thing follows from the second step is the practicing of this mindset. So you take up a test series and you understand how can you logically come to the conclusion or to the answer from the question. So I had taken up the test series from Umbrella Academy consecutively for 2 years, and the pattern had also changed in both my years. But I was very comfortable with the changing pattern because I was able to apply this mindset and this the thinking process. It does seem tough and daunting because the pattern can change, and you should always be ready to face something unexpected in the exams. But if you keep the strategy simple by practicing the static syllabus and also having confidence in the exam, the changing pattern does not impact so much because you will be strong and confident with your basics. So my suggestion would be that you start with the basics, you look at previous year questions, and then you practice the questions repeatedly. So I hope this was helpful. I also hope that the Umbrella Academy's Prelims courses can help you get the confidence and the potent tools that you have to do any sort of changing pattern of the prelims paper well. Thank you so much.